You are going to love the 2024 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, LED headlights, power liftgate, traction control, stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.